One of these futures is that there is a striking increase in the amount of travel and of communications. We might call this a sort of hypermobile future, that the sorts of limits on the future imposed by limited supplies of oil or the significance of carbon emissions and rising temperatures does not generate any significant problems because there is some solution to those. Second future is the opposite of that. That is the possibility that the effects of climate change, the peaking of oil and gas, and possibly also the peaking of water and foodstuffs and so on, produce a dramatic downsizing, a kind of a reduced scale of activities, not only economic activities and travel, but also reduced scale on which people find friends, and family life is more restricted. The final scenario would be a kind of digital future of the proliferation of lots of digitized networks of links, connections, ties, relationships, and travel. This would lead to significant regulation of movement, probably with a sort of carbon rationing. And I suppose the sort of future of these digitized networks would be a little bit like living life in an airport. One might loosely describe this as a kind of Orwellian future.